right over here. Namaste, guys. ChristianRLong, Life Enhancement Consultant, giving you a big and beautiful shout out from the road here in New Jersey. We got a crew of Donald. You can say, whatever.
Hey, whatever.
Kavita and Falguni, and we're all sharing stories on our way up to the MCKS Arhatic Yoga Ashram in Bovina, New York, which is a itty-bitty tiny cow town with about, I think maybe 1,000 or so people that live in the town. And we're doing our best to beat traffic, but considering we're New York, New Jersey area, the likelihood of that is very unlikely. But we're able to connect. We're able to share some amazing stories. Nitin Atma Namaste. We're getting some amazing stories of 8-hour healings, apparently. 8-hour healings. I've been doing Pranic Healing for 15 years, and I've never heard of 8-hour healings, so I guess I got to step up my game. So this retreat, or these retreats, the spiritual vacation, has been going on for over 10 years, and it's led by Master Marilag and Master Glenn Mendoza, a husband and wife team that are both Pranic Healing Masters. And it originally started out for about 2 years as 9-day spiritual vacation, where people would go up and we would do deep meditation. You have to be an Arhatic yoga practitioner to qualify to attend this event. But we would do deep meditations, lectures, and healings on each other for 9 days. And so by the end of it, you're super bright, you're super shiny, and then you go into the world and make miracles happen, right? In your life and the lives of other people you care about. Then somebody, I'm not going to name names, Kenny, had the idea of doing a 21-day spiritual vacation. Not 9 days, but 21 days. And they've been doing the 21-day spiritual vacation for about 10 years at this point. Maybe this might be the 9th year of the 21-day spiritual vacation. And this will be my very first 21-day spiritual vacation. Super excited about it. And I hear lots of shifts occur for people. Several friends of mine that did the 21-day spiritual vacation about 3 years ago, all of their lives got turned completely tipsy-topsy upside down because of accelerated karma, accelerated purification. Wow. But now, after 3 years, their lives are not only normalized, but they're rapidly improving in every area of their life. So It took 3 years of, these people went through some very, very intense things. Yara, Abba Namaste, welcome. But I just wanted to jump on real quick. You guys know we do these live streams every single day for 2019. We're going to be in the Catskills, and Wi-Fi, cell phone reception is not going to happen at all. But Wi-Fi usually is pretty good at the ashram. Hopefully it'll be the best it's ever been this year, so we can keep doing the live streams every single day. Hold on, buddy. Don't worry, you'll get your chance to slide over, just not right now. And from Lyndhurst, New Jersey, where the Center for Pranic Healing is, to Bovina, New York, it's about 3.5 hours, but we're already making excellent time. We'll be there in about 2.5 hours. By what it says on our little GPS action. But hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you're having a phenomenal weekend. Today's Friday, so if you're going out with friends and family, be safe, be responsible, maybe learn something, have a new experience. Here's an idea. Instead of partying until 2 o'clock in the morning or drinking to excess, which funny enough, my audience, neither one of you guys would really fit into that. But for the general populace that's watching the stream live or the replay, how about getting a group of friends together, a group of family members together, and doing a meditation together? Because whatever you do on the spiritual plane goes with you when you leave the physical body. So it's priceless. It's priceless. It's permanent, right? So if you do healing, the benefits from that are permanent because it goes to the soul. If you do tithing, if you do service, if you do character building, if you do some kind of meditation practice, all of those things are permanent for the soul that you take with you when you leave the physical body. So, little suggestion, take it, leave it, whatever you choose to do. Brittany, Amma Namaste. You're coming late to the party, girl. Hope you're doing well. I don't know if I'm going to see you at the retreat or not. I was talking to you about going a while ago, but hope you're well. Hope you're living the dream. And this is ChristianRLong and crew. Yay!
Hey! And remember, shift happens.
That's the Big Daddy Dom throwing that one out there. Shift happens. So, shift happens, which I think is quite apropos for what we're doing for the next 9+ days. Is we're all going to this event for different reasons. Some of us are going for healing. Some of us are going for inner peace. Some of us are going to escape the law. Just kidding. Some of us are going... We're all going for different reasons. Witness protection. But at the end of the day, we're seeking transformation. We're seeking oneness with our higher selves and oneness with God. That's the purpose of all spiritual practices, all religions, all personal development, is oneness with our higher selves and oneness with God. So, lots of light, love, and power from God and our teacher, Grandmaster Cho Koksui, into your lives. Hope you have a phenomenal Friday, a phenomenal weekend, and a phenomenal